Okay, we're gonna do the crazy stitch activity, which you'll find in your manual, just listed under crazy stitch. Okay, you're gonna need to get from the teacher the crazy stitch worksheet, which looks just like this. Okay, and we're gonna do some sewing on the sewing machine, but you don't want the sewing machine to be threaded, so you're just gonna leave it just as it is. Okay, and if we just read the steps, it says step 1, pick up a crazy stitch. We did that. 2, turn on the machine. Make sure the machine is not threaded. 3, turn the hand wheel on your machine until the needle is at its highest point. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to sew on each one of the lines. Okay, we're just going to basically poke holes in it because we will not have the machine threaded. Okay, now I'm going to raise the presser foot. Okay, the presser foot lever is at the back of the machine. So if I raise it, the presser foot, which is this, will go up and down. Okay, so we're going to lift it up. Make sure that the needle is at its highest point. Okay, if it's not up high and it's down low, just turn your hand wheel, which is on this inside part of your sewing machine. It's a round blue knob. So turn it up. Then we're going to place the needle directly above the end of our first line, okay, or where it starts, and poke it right through. So if I bring this up close, you can see that better a little bit. I poked it right through. Okay. Now we're gonna start to sew. Okay, and we need to lower our presser foot. Okay, now sewing is kind of like, I like to compare it to making a necklace. If you're gonna make a necklace, okay, so you've got your string or your yarn or whatever and your beads, and you cut a piece. Okay, now when you start stringing the beads on, they're just gonna go off the other side and fall off the yarn unless you've got a knot in it. So you have to tie a knot in one end, and then you also have to tie a knot in the end when you finish so it doesn't come apart. Same principle with sewing. You have to have a knot in both ends or whatever you're sewing is going to come undone. So in order to do that, we go forward, put 3 to 5 stitches. 1, 2, hold on, let me make sure. Oh, for some reason this is not working.